pretty good. Some vibrations as I accelerated there. I don't know if that was traction control or something kicking in. I didn't see a little yellow traction control. Where's Dave taking us on our mystery to Bennington or Ashbourne? Yeah, Dave enjoys his rides. Dave can ride for 3 hours without stopping. Me, I'm a bit nash. I like to stop every 45 minutes or an hour. So I said to him this morning when we go out, he was asking he was asking me yesterday, how long do you want to stay out for? I was like, 3 hours. We'll do an hour and a half and then have a stop and do an hour and a half. I can actually feel my big toes now. Oh, I'm getting very cold, I'm getting quite numb. I have laid up this morning. Whoa. You see what I mean about the state of the roads in the UK at the moment? It's ridiculous. So yeah, I have laid up. So I am wearing nice thick M&S, what do you call them? Not long johns. They look like long johns. So I'm wearing those. I'm actually wearing a riding shirt. Oh, going to Bakewell, I'll be Dave. Problem with Bakewell, it's very touristy. It gets quite busy. Hopefully no tourists today. Yeah, so I'm wearing a base layer, one of those motorbike special fabric things that wick away the sweat, etc. You know, all those lies that they claim. Meanwhile, it's just like polyester or whatever it is. And then I've got my long johns over that, and then I've got my fleece, and I'm wearing my riding jacket, and then I've got the black. It's a windbreaker type material. Now you can also wear it under the jacket. You can also wear it over the top, so I've just put it over the top just for additional warmth, so I get the warmth from the jacket as well. And, like I say, the top body seems to be okay. I'm wearing heated gloves, but it's my feet are quite cold. It might be because of the type of socks I wear. I like to wear those no-see socks, those hidden socks. It says just on the lower part of your foot. I just find that if I wear proper normal socks, it seems to catch on my ankles on the zips of the boots. So I've got a gap of nothing between my ankle to just above my ankle. That's probably where the wind's getting in. Hence why my feet are quite chilly. Big toes really. That's because Dave is taking us in between all these trees and leaves. Dave, it's all your fault, Dave! Go find us some sun, Dave. Yeah, Dave's proper old school, so he likes to look on the maps and he'll figure out a route before we go out. Then if we do stop, he'll have a look at his map again. Yeah, I just follow my nose, or lazy, I just look at my phone, and most of the times, when I'm out here in the Peak District, I don't really pick up good phone signal, so maybe it's a good thing having a map to look at like Dave does. So yeah, I just keep riding until I see a sign, and then I know where I am. The signs home. Right, I'm going to switch off for a while. I imagine this lens is filthy dirty. And I know Dave is only going to find us a greasy spoon calf or a little van. Muddy van. Farmer. Farmer is cold by things, it must be cold. Welcome to Longcliffe. So we're heading into Longcliffe. Old Walk. But it's taking the turn for Old Walk. Are these chaps? Scramblers? Are used? Hopefully the wide lens picks that up. More sheep in the farmer's fields, and hopefully the lens isn't covered with mud. The roads are quite muddy here outside of this farmer's yard. I thought it was a farmer's yard, but then I saw the trucks in there. Depot or truck repair. It's not so bad when the sun's out. The road is still looking very, very mucky, so just got to be gentle on the brakes here. Hopefully that's coming out on the camera. You can see how muddy the roads are. Field. It's actually quite peaceful when you get out on the bike and you see all of this. I think also being on a bike is much closer to nature than it is being in a car. In a car you're quite attached, you know, you've got your heating. You don't have any other wind blast, you can't really smell smells from the outside. You know, when you go past here you can smell those barns, you can smell the animals, you can smell the manure, you can smell their pee, everything. Not saying it's great smell, I'm just saying that you know, you do get all these smells. Fill your senses. Sight, the feel, you can feel the wind. Can you see? You can see all these lovely fields, you can see the animals in the fields. There's a sheep on its knees. Closed the head. I can feel the wind breeze. What can I taste? Well, I can't taste anything unless I have an insect fly up into my mouth. What can I smell? I can smell the animals. Smell the cold, crisp air. Rambling on now. Now what's that sign saying? New Haven. I'm sure there's a New Haven up there in Cumbria. Oh no, sorry, apologies. That's Whitehaven. So yeah, Dave was taking me to New Haven. It looks like they've recently painted the lines on this road. So it must be a main road. There. Yeah, a lot of wind. Oh, I just realised I've probably got all the vents in the helmet installed. Right, well, as soon as it's safe for me to stop filming, I'm going to switch off the cameras and I shall catch up with you all later. Yeah, chat soon. Right, so I'm back again filming. There was a load back there which was quite interesting to see. I just started filming a little bit too late. Welcome to Staffordshire Moorlands. We were actually at the top of the ridge there coming down. And yeah, I should have filmed, but you know, you're just waiting. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. Watching all the activities. I thought Dave was going to be finding a nice place for us to stop for a breakfast, but now I'm not so sure. Oh, pulling into Mohr. I wonder if Dave has got other things planned, and like not stopping for a breakfast and just going home, just doing one big loop and going home. Yeah, there's a little cafe on the corner there. Dave normally stops at. Paddle. Oh. What's it called? Cobble's Cafe. Oh.